Hi, Ken Johnson here with the Conneaut Telephone Company. I'm in the boardroom, and over my shoulder is a portrait of Meyer Gorbischer, a local businessman who came over and took over the management of the company back in 1904. Mr. Gorbischer, along with his son Russell Gorbischer, Ray Repose, and then Tom Picard before me, were all general managers of the company who had a strong focus on providing the best service to our local community. That spirit continues today. Although our community has grown and technology has evolved and many of the products we offer are different than 30 years ago, we continue to be the same local company with a strong local community tie. So we want to take you behind the scenes, let you meet the people, see some of the equipment, and understand what it is that we do to serve our community here in Conneaut.
Hi, I'm Jim and I work here at the Conneaut Telephone Company. It's good to be talking with you today. I have been here with the company for 7 years. Yep, 7 years this summer in July. I've been an employee here and I've really enjoyed my job for most of the time of everything I've done here. Basically, some of the things I'm talking to you about today is what are some of the functions that I do here at the Conneaut Telephone Company or our sister companies, Suite 224 Internet or Cable Suite 541. My basic job when I was hired on here was to be the HR director, which is basically a fancy term for a personnel director. I work with our employees, their benefits, their sick days, their vacation times. We work through revising our employee manual every so often, and then the employees have to read and agree to the things that are in the manual. You know what I'm talking about. Another aspect of my job that I've really enjoyed as far as part of the Cable Suite 541 experience, I've been able for a couple of years now to be Jiminy Critic, and maybe some of you know me by looking at me, you wouldn't have thought of Jim. My name, Jiminy Critic, has been around there, kind of the movie reviewer for our Cable Suite 541 company. Wow. Not my full-time gig by any means, but I've loved movies for a long time and enjoy watching them, critiquing them, talking about them. Good ones and bad ones, as we've all seen. Most recently, though, in the last couple of months, I have been working with the great folks up here in the IT department at the Helpdesk. And basically, anytime you all have had trouble with your telephone or your internet, mostly your internet or your cable TV, you'll call that number to reach us and probably get myself or one of the other great workers at the Helpdesk here. And what we try to do is to first of all find out what it is you need, what's wrong, and how can we best help you solve your problem that's occurred, that's bugging you that day. So I've done that about 2 months now and I've really enjoyed it. It's brand new territory for me. I've got to learn a lot of things I didn't know before, but it's exciting, and I always like to deal with the public anyway and talk to folks. So this thing is kind of right up my alley and I enjoy it quite a bit. So I'm thankful for all these opportunities that have been provided for me here at the Conneaut Telephone Company.
Hello, my name is Stacy. I am the web designer, graphic artist, and I also work on the help desk. When you call in and have an internet issue, sometimes you will talk to me. As far as web design, we meet with customers maybe that are unhappy with their current website or want a new design. Use Dreamweaver, Photoshop, those kind of programs to design websites for the companies that are looking for a new look or maybe don't have a current web design or web page. Graphics, we do ads here, any kind of flyers, that kind of thing. I went to Pittsburgh Technical Institute for graphic design. My degree is in specialized technology. It's a major in graphics, but it's just computers and stuff like that. What makes my job challenging is probably meeting with customers and getting their ideas, their visions of kind of what they're looking for, and then bringing it back here and kind of trying to translate it into something that they're looking for that looks good and makes sense online.
We hope you enjoyed the behind-the-scenes look here at the services and operations at Conneaut Telephone Company. As always, we want to remind you that we enjoy being a community provider and providing services to you.